Next on the refurbishment calendar is this mostly orange Hoover commercial upright. And as you can see, it's bagless, which I thought's kind of interesting. And it's also super rusty. Show you what I mean. So let's see if you can see. Oh yeah, you can see that. So up from the depths of the ocean. I don't even know if I want to turn this thing on. I mean, this is more rust than anything. Whoa. Is this even... Oh, I wonder what's going to be underneath here. Yeah. I'm trying to be gentle with it. I don't really want to break anything offhand. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool? Okay, so here's obviously no point in this belt. Well, you know, the motor turns fairly freely. This might be savable. And it is a... Let me get a little closer here. Let's see if we can read this. Come on. There we go. It's a C1125. Let's see, serial number 049 something or other, 5 amps. Here, we'll take a closer look at this. Woo, look at that. Seems to be a common problem with a lot of commercial vacuums. They run them to pick up water, and then they put them away wet. So, can't wait to figure out what on earth I'm going to end up doing with this guy. Okay, just for laughs, let's see if this thing comes on. So I have it plugged in. I have no idea what it's going to do. Hey, that's not bad. Okay, so it looks like it still works. Obviously no belt and brush roll installed because, well, look at it. Yeah. Well, I just had to take a look at this thing and see if it was really viable or not. And I got out some steel wool, use it on this, and I got some sandpaper, use it on the pulley that's inside. This, the bristles are fine. The brush roll, I hope I can find another one of these. So that's just awful. And you know, I don't know if I really want to try to rebuild the bearings. This is really pretty sad if you take a look at it. But the bristles are in good shape. So primarily just with steel wool, I cleaned up most of the crusty rustiness. At least it's recognizable now. I can read some of the printing. And I do have a date stamp. It says February something, maybe 20th of 1995. So this machine is many decades old, to be sure. I've got the pulley here using sandpaper, shined up again. And you know what's so interesting is the fan blades look like they're perfect. I took a really close look at them. I can't see any issue with them at all. There's nothing cracked. There's no chunks out of it. Not that I can see, even when I look in here, in this rear exhaust port. So let's hear what the motor sounds like now. That's like a flawless wind down. So I think the motor's in good shape, fan's in good shape, the vast majority of the machine seems to be in good shape. I think I just need to get a new belt and brush roll. So I have all the machine apart that I need to take apart, and this one is really in amazingly good shape, even though it obviously looks pretty dirty. I have the little recovery bin all cleaned out, so that's in good shape. And the only thing that it looks like I need to do is get a belt and a brush roll. And I was able to find an exact replacement metal. I know there's other ones, but I like this one. So I'm going to vacuum the top of this Hoover off, and I'm going to put this in the tub, even though I have cleaned this out as much as I can just with a blower. But obviously you have years and or decades of dust and muck buildup. So let's get my Miele Solaris canister out here and vacuum off the top of this Hoover. This piece and this piece are going to go in the tub and get scrubbed down, and I'll work a little harder on cleaning this up, make it look a little better.